Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Mystic Roads. In this video, let me take you to visit one of the engineering marvel, a bridge in Tokyo, that is the Rainbow Bridge. The Rainbow Bridge is a suspension bridge which links northern Tokyo Bay between the Shibaura Pier and artificial islet of Odaiba waterfront in Minato. Built in the 1990s, the structure has enabled this part of Tokyo Bay to flourish and is surrounded by top tourist attractions. It was built by Kawasaki Heavy Industries, with construction starting in 1987 and completed in the year 1993. The bridge is 798 meters long with a main span of 580 meters. The bridge is limited in height by its proximity to Haneda Airport. The bridge has two decks, one for the expressway and one for the Yurikamome line and Tokyo Prefectural route for number 482. While the bridge carries plenty of road traffic on the Yurikamome line, it is also a pedestrian bridge with pathways and officially the Rainbow Promenade on both north and south of the bridge. Stretched across Tokyo Bay from the Shibaura Pier to the Odaiba waterfront, the Rainbow Bridge is a brightly lit suspension bridge in Tokyo. The white bridge columns are illuminated on special occasions such as Christmas using solar power collected during the day. On entering the visitor center, the first decision you have to make is whether to take the north or the south route. There are separate elevators for each. The north route will give you views of Tokyo Tower, the skyscrapers around Roppongi and Toranomon. The south route offers view of Odaiba including the adjacent islands as well as the Shinagawa area. Crossing the bridge on foot takes about 25 minutes and is free to walk. To walk to the bridge, you need to take an elevator up to the bridge span from the Shibaura side pier. The bridge is an easy walk, but consider you will have trucks and cars rumbling past right next to the walkway. It takes around 20 to 30 minutes to cross the bridge on foot, although most visitors linger at the benches in the middle and enjoy the view. There are pedestrian walkways on either side of the bridge, so pick up the side with the view you most want to see. The views from both sides are impressive, so if you are after some nice photos, consider the lighting. The supporting towers of the bridge have been painted white, but they are lit up at night in rainbow colors in December, giving the bridge its nickname, officially known as Tokyo Bay Connector Bridge. I started my walk towards the north route first. After a point, I reached an interlink. There is an underpass where you can walk down using a staircase and reach the south side route. Crossing the underpass, I reached the south route of the bridge, which is also scenic and amazing with the man-made island Odaiba. The south route offers views of Odaiba waterfront, the harbor including the adjacent islands as well as the Shinagawa area. Odaiba looks amazing at dusk, so you could take the south route just before the sunset and get those city lights from the north route on your return journey. Odaiba is a man-made island originally created for military purposes. However, it is currently covered with large commercial complexes, television buildings, and many other amusement facilities. Odaiba also has a spectacular view and spots that are ideal for taking pictures, including the symbolic Statue of Liberty, Rainbow Bridge, and the large ferry wheels. The bridge and its views are quite beautiful even when illuminated in regular lights during the rest of the year. The atmosphere of this place is more like a futuristic city rather than that of a traditional Japan. The fresh air and the blue ocean create a sense of openness and liberty. The Rainbow Bridge has seasonal opening hours. That is, in summer it is open from 9 am to 9 pm and during winter it is from 10 am to 6 pm. And note, when there are strong winds, the walkway might be closed, and the walkway is closed on 3rd Monday for a routine maintenance. The Rainbow Bridge can be easily accessed from these two stations on foot. That is, the Shibaura-futō station, which is 5 to 7 minutes walk, and Tamachi station, that is 12 to 15 minutes walk. watching my video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's stay connected, explore, dream and discover. Please like and share my videos. Thank you once again.